Sometimes a watermelon pulls you in harder than any magnet. Aw, I wish I had some milk. What is that? Oh no! This is terrible! I'll look again. Phew, it's empty. I was just seeing things, and I forgot about the milk. A watermelon head! What happened? Who screamed? I'm here! Ouch! So what's wrong? Why were you screaming? This was in the fridge. It says watermelon challenge. Oh no! Anything but this! There's a box. And there's a card with a task in it. The first task is to remove the seeds from a watermelon. Well, let's go. Time to clean. I love making everything neat and tidy. Aha! Dust! You thought you could hide from me in this corner? Everything is gonna be sparkling clean. Oh! A watermelon! I'll take care of all these seeds. Come on, vacuum cleaner. Do your thing. There you go. We won't leave any seeds. Done! Now I can eat as much as I want. Check his pulse. The patient isn't reacting to light. Doctor, we're losing him. Hurry up! Bring him to the operating room. Scalpel, forceps. His pulse is stable. Nurse, inject the anesthetic. These foreign black objects are causing complications. Let's remove them. Let's start the removal process. It's a pretty hard task. There are a lot of these objects. Phew! We removed the last one. We nailed it! Congratulations! My baby! You were saved! Doctor, is he okay? I was so nervous! Thank you! Thank you for everything! My precious watermelon! Ew! These seeds are ruining everything! I'll call for help! Did you call for a magician? Hurry up! Do something so all these seeds disappear from this watermelon slice! Give it to me! I'm gonna remove all the seeds! No! Stop it! Aren't you a magician? Use magic! Magic? I can't do that! Hold on! Voila! Here are your seeds! Can you do it vice versa? A watermelon without seeds and not seeds without a watermelon? Ta-da! Ah! Wow! Thanks! You're welcome! Don't forget about the payment! Sure, here's a piece for you! There, a few more shots! Smile! A hand on your hips! That's better! Awesome! Put your leg like this! Aha! Ah! What's wrong with my camera? I don't understand! Look, it's a new card! Oh no! A new task! A picture with a watermelon? What a sweet watermelon! Ashley, I have an idea! Let's go! Stay over there! Great! A few more pics! We completed the task! This heat is unbearable! Water? I need water! The last drop! I'm so thirsty! What's that? A watermelon! I'm diving in! Cut some straws, shape a ladder. Glue on pieces with handrails. Coat with metallic spray paint. Attach a strip of foam paper between the handrails. It's a great picture for the challenge! Hey, Tin! What are you doing? I have to film this! You'll regret laughing at the magic of Naruto! Rasengan! Powerful Resin Watermelon! Kaya! Oh no! It actually worked! idea! Let's bowl! With this ball? Are you kidding me? Now this is a bowling ball! What? A watermelon? Exactly! Go! 1, 2, 3! Watermelon, don't let me down! Strike! Yay! This is how winners play! Watch and learn! Hey, who's bored? Want to see a magic trick? Sure, go for it! A hat on the table! Abracadabra! And here's a new task for the Watermelon Challenge! Oh no! Oh yeah! Our task is watermelon recipes! I have an idea! Ashley, follow me! What are these girls up to again? Let's wait and we'll find out! Guys, we made something very interesting! A drink with watermelon ice! Cut half a watermelon into cubes. Put them on a board and freeze them. You haven't tried anything like this before! What? Did the girls do better than us? Relax, I have a better idea! Fresh watermelon juice! Bet you didn't think of that! That's actually a nice idea! Ours is good too! We are having a pool party! Yay! Guys, don't get your hopes up too soon! The watermelon is back! Oh no! Let's check out the new task! Make something wearable out of a watermelon. Goldie came to sunbathe with her new backpack. It's perfect for the watermelon challenge. Cut a piece with narrow ends out of a strip of foam rubber. Wrap it with green fabric on one side. Cut a piece out of red felt with some extra around the edges. Glue the piece to felt. Make 6 identical pieces. Glue them to each other. Attach the 3D detail to a polyethylene foam oval wrapped in red felt. Add a zipper. Decorate the outside with strips of dark green fabric. Make 2 straps out of webbing ribbon on the back. Attach fastenings. It's so hot! I need a drink right now! Awesome backpack! Oh, a swimsuit! I'm taking it! And I'll replace it with a card with a new assignment. Where's my swimsuit? No way! Another task? Fine. Where's my watermelon? Hi, Tin! Hold my backpack! Whoa! A watermelon swimsuit! That's a very creative approach! Can't wait to get in the pool! Stop! You can't bring your own music to the pool! What do we do? Let's leave! Good afternoon! The weather is amazing! We only have a watermelon. Cut a rectangular hole in a cardboard semicircle. Attach a semicircle made of black fabric on top. Take a semicircle of red foam paper and cut holes shaped like seeds in it. Glue it to the black semicircle. Also attach a red semicircle with a hole to the back. Wrap a strip of cardboard in green foam paper. Glue it around the red part. Wrap a strip of cardboard in red foam paper and fasten it on top. Attach a strip of white foam paper along the edge. Glue elastic ribbon inside. Put in a loudspeaker. Yay! We did it! Our music is always with us, and we completed the task. Can you believe it? Something distracts me every time I want to drink tea. Oh, what's that? Oh man, a task for the watermelon challenge. A watermelon recipe. Black versus white. That's interesting. Challenge accepted. Where's our watermelon? Divide it in half. One for you and one for me. Let's go! Remove the flesh. Fill it with ice cream. Sprinkle with chocolate chips. Done! Mmm! It smells amazing! What do you have? White ice cream. How about you? Dark hot chocolate. We'll need 4 1/4 ounces of powdered sugar, 1 ounce of cornstarch, and 1 3/4 ounces of cocoa powder. Mix all the ingredients together. Add some milk. Mix to get a smooth consistency. Pour the mixture into 4 cups of hot milk. Cook it until it thickens, but don't bring it to a boil. Add food coloring while you cook it. Prepare a few batches. Pour it in an empty watermelon half. Sprinkle with marshmallows. Let's have a taste test. Some ice cream? Maybe some chocolate? Whoa! What a huge spoon! My spoon is tiny. Don't worry. We'll add more hot chocolate to your ice cream. Wow! Thanks, Ashley! I love ice cream with chocolate. Wanna try? Mmm! Yummy! It tastes magical! Did you like our watermelon challenge? Then comment below and tell us what part you liked the most. A loudspeaker shaped like a watermelon slice, a watermelon backpack, or a watermelon swimsuit. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new hilarious challenges from Troom.